See, today we are going to start T ratio of some multiple angles, right? T ratio of some multiple angle. T ratio of some multiple angles. Okay. T ratio of multiple angles we have already discussed, right? Sine to A, cos to A, tan to A. Okay. Those formulas we have discussed. So now we are going to discuss what T ratio of some multiple angle, that is called half angle formula. That is called, half angle formula. Half angle formula. That is called half angle formula. Okay. So see, first, what is that? The first formula is sine theta. First formula is sine theta, not sine 2 theta, sine theta. So what is that here? Sine theta is equals to 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. That is the first formula of submultiple angle. Okay, sine theta is equals to 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. And now see how it has come. We will prove it also. So see, as you know, student, that sine 2a, sine 2a is equals to 2 sine a, 2 sine a into cos a, right? This is what? Multiple angles. Understood? But in today, we are discussing what? Sub-multiple angles. So what we have to do? 2a, right? 2a you just replaced with theta. 2a you just replace with theta. Okay. And a is equals to, then what we can write? Theta by 2 we can write. So what we can write? Sine theta is equals to 2 sine a. What is the value of a here? Theta by 2. So sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So this is how you can prove this. Okay. So sine theta is equals to 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay. So similarly, you can also prove the next formula, that is, see, second, 2 cos squared. Listen all of you. 2 cos squared theta by 2. Okay. 2 cos squared theta by 2 is equals to 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. As you know that cos 2a. What is cos 2a? Cos 2a, we have studied that 2 cos square a minus 1. That we have already discussed, right? So simply what we have to do? 2a you have to replace by what? Only theta. Just you can see here. Yes. So you put here cos theta. Understood? Then after 2 cos square a, then what will be the value of a? A is equals to theta by 2. Theta by 2 minus 1. That's it. That is very simple. If you know some multiple angle, right now, if you know multiple angle, then it is very easy to derive, very easy to understand sub multiple angle, means half angle formulas. Understood? So what we can say, we can also write that 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos squared theta by 2. That we can also write. Is this clear? Okay. Now, third one. Third one is what? 2 sine squared theta by 2. 2 sine squared theta by 2. What we can write? 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. 2 sine squared theta is equals to what? 1 minus cos theta. Isn't it? Okay. So what we can write? Cos 2a, listen, cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. Okay. Cos 2a is equals to 1. Cos 2a is equals to what? Cos 2a is equals to cos square a minus sine square a. and cos square a. By using identities, you can convert in the sign. Okay. Then what we can write? 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a. So 1 minus 2 sine square a. Hope it is clear, right? Now see, cos 2a. What we have to write? You have to replace it by what? Theta. Understood? Cos theta.
Yes, sir.
And 1 minus 2 sine square a value. What we can write? Theta by 2. 2a is equals to theta. 2a is equals to theta. This is a. Okay. Then what we can write? A is equals to definitely theta by 2. Equation by equation we can write. Is this clear? So cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So you can also write, what we can write? 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sine square theta by 2. Getting my point, everyone? Yes. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, fourth, number 4. See, tan theta, right? Tan theta, 2 tan theta by 2. 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan squared theta by 2. All of you just listen to me. What I'm saying, tan theta is equals to 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan squared theta. That is the formula of half angle, right? That is the formula of half angle, okay? And we will see how it has come. See, as you know, and as you have studied that tan 2a in the terms of tan only, tan 2a, what we can write? 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan squared a, 1 minus tan square. Of course we can write, no? Okay, so simply we have to replace tan 2a. What we can replace? Tan 2a can be replaced by what? Theta. So what you can write? Tan theta is equals to 2 tan. What will be the value of a? A will be theta by 2. So 2 tan theta by 2 divided by 1 minus tan squared theta by 2. Hope it is clear. Clear, everyone? Is this clear or not? Is this clear
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Clear.
Hope it is clear, right?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now I am giving you one question, okay? And you have to solve this question. Simplify. Simplify this. 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta divided by 1 plus sine theta and plus cos theta, right? Simplify it. See, when you are able to simplify this question, it means that you have understood half angle formula. Nothing is there, simply you have to apply half angle formula, which you have studied now. So see what we can do. As you know that, listen everyone, as you know that 1 minus sine theta, okay? So what we can do, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta and plus sine theta. Like this, can you write or not? Of course, we can separate it, isn't it? Then after 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. And here you write, sine theta. Nothing, simply I have separated it. That's it. Now you have to apply the formula of half angle formula. 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. What is the formula? 2 sine squared theta by 2. Right now? Some multiple angle formula. Okay. Then after sine theta. Sine theta, what we can write? Sine theta, you can write 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. That you can write. Simply, I am not doing anything. Simply, I am just writing the formula of 1 minus cos theta and sine theta. Once you write, then after simply you have to simplify it. Then after you will get your final answer. Then what is 1 plus cos theta? What we can write? 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. And here 1 plus cos theta means 1 plus cos 2a, 2 cos square a. So 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay. And here sine theta. Again, you can write sine theta is what? 2 sine theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. Very simple. Now just simplify it. So you can see very clearly that here 2 sine theta and 2 sine theta. So definitely it can be taken as a common. Getting my point? So what we can write? 2 sine theta by 2. 2 sine theta by 2. Okay.
2.
Yes. Then after what we are getting? Sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Clear? Now in denominator,
Yes, sir.
what we can say? 2 cos square theta by 2, and here 2 cos theta by 2 is there, right? So definitely 2 cos theta by 2 can be taken as a common, isn't it? So what we can do? 2 cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. Clear? And you can see very clearly that sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 in numerator and denominator, cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. It will be cancelled. Okay. After that, what we are getting, and you can also see that 2 gets cancelled, right? So sine theta by cos theta, tan theta by 2. Understood, everyone? So this is how you can understand this concept.